In this video, we're going to take a 15-item quiz for solving sets with Venn diagrams. And we have our question number 1 here. Select the Venn diagram that represents the set below. We have the complement of the universal set, putting a rectangle for our universal set, label it U. What is the complement of our universal set? Well, it's nothing. If we're going to shade the complement of our universal set, then we will shade nothing. So the answer for this is number 2. This quarter, a survey of 100 students at a local college finds the following. 50 take math, 40 take English, 30 take history, 15 take English and math, 10 take English and history, 10 take math and history, and 5 take all 3 subjects. Use a Venn diagram to determine the following. The number of students taking math but not the other 2 subjects. It is asking us those who take math exclusively. Let me just draw the Venn diagram for this. For the math, we have this one, another circle for English, and one more circle for history. Label this M, where there's 50 students, E, where there's 40 students, and H, where there are 30 students. Meaning, in this circle, there are 50 students, regardless if they are taking other subjects or not. Let me also write the given in set notation. 15 for English and math, 10 for English and history, 10 for math and history, and 5 for taking all 3 subjects. Always remember, with Venn diagrams, you start with the middle. So there are 5 who take all 3 subjects. Looking at math and history, there are 10 students who take both of these subjects. Among those 10, there are also 5 who take English. So 5 take away 10, you get 5. Looking at math and English, there are 15 students who take it. 5 of them are also taking history. 15 take away 5, that is 10. We have enough to answer the problem, the number of students taking math only. We have a total. Looking at the math circle, it should equal to 50 regardless whether they are taking other subjects. So take the total number of students for math and take away the students who are taking other subjects, because we want to know how many students are taking math only. This would give us 30 who are only taking math. And there we go. Question number 3. Same given, different problem. The number of students taking English or math but not history. So we're trying to find the students who are taking English or math but not history. Before we can solve this problem, we have to know those students who are taking English only and English and history only. Looking at history and English, there are 10 students who are taking it. 5 of them are taking also math. 5 take away 10, we have 5. Let's find out those are taking English only. Take the total number of students for English, then take away the students who are taking the other subjects also. And that is 20. We have enough to know the problem. We have enough to solve the problem. Let me shade math and English minus history. Let's get all the shaded numbers. And this is a total of 60. There you go. Question 4. Same given, different problem. The number of students taking none of these subjects. We have a total of 100 students. Before we can solve the problem, let's see how many students are taking history only. There are 30 students who are taking history. Let's take away those who are taking other subjects. And the answer is going to be 15. There are only 15 students who are taking history only. We have enough to solve the problem. You take the total number of students, take away those who are taking math, English, and history. It's going to be 100 minus, adding all of these subjects gives us 90. The answer is 10. There you go. Question number 5. A marketing survey of 1,000 commuters found that 600 answered listening to the news, 500 listen to music, and 300 listen to both. Let N be the set who listen to the news, M be the set who listen to music. Fill out the Venn diagram and give the number in each set and intersection M. Straightforward enough. Let me just draw the Venn diagram for this. Our universal set. Circle for those listening to the news. Another circle for those listening to music. Label this U, N, M. And we have our Venn diagram. The question is N intersection M. And we have the given here, 300 who listen to both news and music. So it should be this one. There you go. Question number 6. Same given, different problem. We have now the complement of N intersection of M. To answer this problem, we should fill out the Venn diagram. Let me write the given in set notation. The total number of people listening to the news is 600. The total number of those who listen to the music is 500. Those who listen to news only is 600 minus 300. That gives us 300. 500 listen to music. Of those 500, there are 300 people who are also listening to the news. So there are 200 people listening to music only. The total number of people surveyed was 1,000. Let's find the number of people who don't listen to both news and music. Take that 1,000 people and take away the number of people who listen to music or news. That is 800. 1,000 take away 800 is 200. Outside of the circles, we have 200 people who do not listen to news or music. We have enough to solve the problem. So we have the complement of N, so everything outside of N, and intersecting with M, and these are the shaded portion. So the answer should be question number 7. Same given, different problem. This time, we're looking at the intersection of N, intersection of the complement of M. Same procedure. The complement of M is outside of M, intersecting M. So the shaded part is this. So the answer should be question 8. Same given, different problem. The complement of N, intersection of complement of M. This is essentially those who do not listen to news or music, and that is 200 people. There you go. Question 9. Same given, different problem. The union of N and M. We already have it right over here. So the answer should be, there you go. Question number 10. Use a triple Venn diagram to help answer the following. A survey of students at a film school revealed the following information. 51 like animated films, 49 like comedy films, 60 like dramatic films, 34 like animated and comedy, 32 like comedy and dramatic, 36 like animated and dramatic, 24 like all three types. How many like only one of the three types of film? This is asking us those who like comedy only, dramatic only, and animated only, and add them all up. Let me just draw the Venn diagram for this. Our universal set here, a circle for animated, another circle for comedy, one last circle for dramatic films. Label this as U, animated, comedy, dramatic. Let me also write the given in set notation. 34 for animated and comedy, 32 for comedy and dramatic, 36 for animated and dramatic, 24 who like all three, and only one who does not like any of the three. Let's fill up the Venn diagram to answer the problem. Starting with the middle, there are 24 who like all three. Looking at animated and comedy, there are 34 who like it, 24 of whom also like dramatic. 34, take away 24, we have 10. Looking at comedy and dramatic, there are 32 who like it, 24 of whom also like animated. 32, take away 24, and we get 8. Looking at animated and dramatic, we have 36 who like it. 24 of those 36 like also comedy. 36, take away 34, and we get 12. The total number of people who like animated are 51. If you take that 51 and take away those who like other films, you would get 5. 5 like animated only. The total number of people who like comedy films are 49. Take that 49 and take away those who like the other films also. And we get 7. The total number who like dramatic films is 60. Take those 60 and take away those who like the other films also. And we get 16. To answer the problem of those who only like one of the three types, take those who like animated only, comedy only, and dramatic only, you would get 28. There you go. Question 11. Same given, different problem. How many like animated and comedy, but not dramatic? In set notation, the problem is this. Looking at animated and comedy, the overlapping circles are this, minus dramatic is, so the answer should be, there you go. Question 12. Same given, different problem. How many like animated and dramatic but not comedy? Same approach with the previous question. Animated and dramatic minus comedy. The shaded area should be this one. So the answer should be, there you go. Question 13. Same given, different problem. How many like either animated, dramatic, or comedy? Some might fall into a trap and just say it's 24. No, you're just going to add all of this because it is or. So adding all of this is, and that would give us 82. So the answer should be, there you go. Question 14. Same given, different problem. How many like either dramatic or comedy? Some of you may fall into the trap of just, oh, it's just the overlapping circles. So it's just the dramatic and comedy is just 32. No, it is or. So it should be dramatic or comedy. And that is going to be adding all of this shaded area. And if we add them all up, it is 77. So the answer here should be, there you go. Final question. Same given, different problem. How many students were surveyed? Remember, we have one person who we surveyed who did not like all three. So those who did not like all three plus all of these is 83. So the total number we surveyed is 83. And congratulations, you've ended the quiz. That's it. End.